Hi y'all, welcome back to this channel. It's Anne's Delicious Kitchen here, back with another video. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button. In this video, I will share with y'all how to make spicy millet porridge using millet flour. In Ghana, it's known as Hausa cocoa. For the ingredients, I will use black peppercorns, cloves, ginger, grains of celery, dry whole chili pepper. As you can see, these are millet seeds which are used to make the porridge. However, as mentioned earlier, I will be using millet flour. Let's get started. I will start off by preparing the millet flour mix. In my bowl, I have added the millet flour and will add water. While pouring the water, make sure you keep whisking to prevent the millet flour from forming any lumps. Once it's smooth and lump-free, I will set it aside for later use. Now, let's move on to making the spice mix. In my blender, I just added ginger, dry whole chili pepper, black peppercorns, grains of celery, cloves. All these spices will give the porridge its distinctive taste, and water. I'm going to blend these into my desired consistency. So this is how it looks, and because I want the juices, I will extract the juices using my strainer to strain the juices. If you don't have the fresh ingredients, it's fine. You can also use the powder form, okay? This is the chaff, which I will get rid of. Let's set it aside for later use and move to the stove. In my saucepan, I will pour 800 ml of water. Once it comes to a boil, I will slowly pour the millet mixture into the boiling water. As you can see, I am whisking. Whisk or stir continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Then I will go in with the blended spice mix. While stirring, reduce your heat to low and simmer the porridge for about 6 minutes. While stirring, you will notice that the porridge will thicken up, which is an indication that the porridge is ready. So as you can see, my porridge is ready. Serve with kose, puff puff, or bread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and stay blessed.